Smart homes are getting smarter in 2025. Amazon's Echo Hub and Google Nest upgrades are packing AI and Matter support to run your home like magic. Want a seamless, futuristic setup? GadInsider's got the hottest rumors, and you're not going to want to miss this. Hey GadInsider crew, the smart home game is leveling up, with Amazon's Echo Hub and Google Nest upgrades leading the charge. AI-powered automation and Matter protocol support are making devices play nice like never before. We've scoured the leaks to bring you the latest on these game-changing gadgets. Let's dive in. First up, Amazon's Echo Hub. This wall-mounted or countertop device is said to be the ultimate smart home command center. Leaks suggest a sharper touchscreen, think 8 to 10 inches, with Alexa's upgraded AI. It'll control everything from lights to security cameras with voice or taps. Rumors point to local processing for faster responses, even offline, and deep Matter support to sync with non-Amazon gear. Expect tighter integration with Ring cameras and Fire TV for a seamless Alexa ecosystem. Google's not slacking either. The next-gen Google Nest Hub and Nest speakers are rumored to get a 2025 refresh. Links hit at a Nest Hub with a larger display and solely radar for gesture controls, no touching needed. Google's Gemini AI could power smarter routines like adjusting your thermostat based on your schedule. Matter support is a lock, making Nest a hub for cross-brand devices. There's also buzz about a new Nest thermostat with a sleeker design and predictive energy-saving features. The real star? Matter protocol. This open standard is fixing smart home chaos, letting Amazon, Google, Apple, and other devices work together seamlessly. Leaks say both Echo Hub and Nest upgrades will fully embrace Matter 2.0, supporting more device types like robot vacuums and smart blinds. No more app juggling. Control everything from one hub or app. Rumors also suggest thread border routers in both devices for faster, more reliable connections. AI is taking these devices to the next level. Amazon's Echo Hub might predict your needs, like dimming lights when you start a movie, thanks to Alexa's contextual AI. Google's Nest could use Gemini to suggest energy-saving tweaks or alert you to unusual activity via Nest cams. Both are rumored to offer customizable routines through their apps, so your home runs like clockwork. Think doors locking, shades closing, and coffee brewing, all on autopilot. Why is this a big deal? The Echo Hub and Nest upgrades are making smart homes smarter, simpler, and truly connected with Matter and AI. Whether you're Team Alexa or Google, these devices are about effortless control and futuristic vibes. But can they keep costs down and nail reliability? We're hyped for 2025 to find out. If you're stoked for smarter homes, smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for more smart tech leaks.